The next generation of Americans is always on the horizon. People in education and training services guide young people forward to take their place in the world. It's a huge responsibility. Nothing less than the future of civilization depends on how well young people are trained. The best educators and coaches, librarians and administrators work not only to instill information, but also to inspire a love of learning, a desire to achieve, and an ethical approach to success. This is a field that offers great rewards, but also demands sacrifice. Strangely, the people entrusted with the future of our society do not earn a lot of money compared with peers who have similar training. If you want to get rich, being an educator or coach is not the best choice. If you want to influence people's lives, there's no better place to be than in an educational community. Think of the teachers and coaches who have made a difference for you. Chances are you'll remember them all your life. Choosing this profession ensures that you will have a direct impact on hundreds, even thousands of young lives. Depending on what you do in the world of education, you will need specialized training. Competition is strong for college and university positions. Most of the contenders have advanced degrees, and many are leaders in their field. Other kinds of teachers, counselors, administrators, library specialists, and coaches emerge from college and certification courses and find plenty of jobs to choose from, especially if they're willing to relocate to communities where they're needed. Often, the jobs include good benefits, and summers and holiday periods are available for travel, further educational opportunities, or part-time jobs to supplement your income. If you're thinking about working in education, consider how you feel now about being in school. If you enjoy the environment of school, if you like working with young people, chances are you would enjoy being an educator, a coach, a librarian, or an administrator. If there's a particular field of study you enjoy, you might find it wonderfully rewarding to share your enthusiasm. It won't always be easy, but it will always be important work.